Hey guys, welcome back. I want to share a couple stuff that I've been working on since last week. I was looking for a couple gas cans to start doing a toolbox project I wanted to do. I got this one for my first one, and then I got this one. That was my second one. And since then I realized that this one works, this one doesn't work at all. So now on this one here, there's like a little metal here. Now this is about 3/4 of an inch, and this one here, it doesn't have it. So what happens is, for me to be able to slide this can on the side of my trailer, I will have to cut this off right here from halfway point to the other side, this much off, and then I'll be able to actually, the other way, I'll be able to slide it in better. Come on.
But it's dangerous.
It is dangerous. That's why you need eye protection.
I can't.
I don't know what it is.
Ah! Don't use it.
Alright, buddy. Almost done here. There you go.
I see it.
Of course you can see it.
Without gas.
There we go.
Without this.
Yeah, look at that.
Without this.
Yeah.
Without this.
There we go.
Is it dirty?
It's dirty, yeah.
It's dirty.
Very dirty, you see? Look at that.
X.
Clean this up.
X. X.
And I want to spray paint it with this.
There X.
With the truck bed coating on the inside.
On the inside.
Yeah. It's not that bad. I can clean this up. Oh, the shelves. want to cut it, but wow. There you go. Hi guys, it's late, it's getting cold, so today, I guess it'll be part 2. I just want to show you guys. So I got the inside done, I got everything cut up, so the back is done, and then the front is also done, it's painted. Anyway, that's it, that's what it looks like. And then tomorrow, this is the one shelf right here. I'm gonna make another one. One goes on the bottom, the other one goes here, and then I put it all together tomorrow. And alright, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.